Now once you open your Camtasia Studio, you will come across this section. Now here you will see couple of options like new project, new recording and open project. Now if you just click on new project, a new project will start from scratch, and if you want to create a new recording, just click on this new recording and your recording will start from scratch. Okay, and if you want to open an existing project, just click on this open project and then search through your PC and then select the project and click on open, and your project will open in your Camtasia Studio. Okay, now you'll find all of your recently opened file and project here in recent panel. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll click on this new project and create a new project from scratch. Once you do it, you will come across this section. Okay, now here you'll find lots of options. Now first I'll tell you, if you want more real estate space, just click on this media and it will go away. Now you can see you have more real estate space for your preview window. Okay, you can also customize it according to your own taste and increase your preview window or timeline and do stuff like that here. Okay, now I'll click on media and it will come back again. Now in order to import our media file, just click on import media, and you can also click on this plus icon, and if you just go to this files, import and media, it will work the same. Okay, just click on this and select your file. We'll talk about this. Okay, after that the next option here you will see is library. Now here you will find all of your pre-built icons, intros, lower thirds, motion backgrounds, music tracks and outros. If I click on any of this, it will expand. Okay, now I'll find lots of stuff here. I can use this in our video clip. We'll talk about this in our coming videos. Okay, after that here you will see your annotations. Okay, now if you want to add any arrow to point something, and if you want to focus and do stuff like that, here you will find all of these effects here. We'll talk about this also. Okay, we will talk about each one of these options in detail in our upcoming videos. Now this is just an intro to this interface of. Okay, after that here you will see is transitions. You'll find lots of transition which you can use in your clip. Okay, you'll find fade through black, circle, stretch, flip, and find all of these, and then you can use this transition in your video clip. Okay, after that here you will see behaviors. You can use these behavior in your video clip. Now if you put your cursor or any of the clip, it will give you a short preview. Okay, we'll talk about this. After that you can also animate your clip. If you have any clip here in your timeline, this will be not disabled and you can just animate your clip, or you can zoom in and pan. If I click on this animate, here I'll find lots of animation like no opacity, full opacity, tilt right and restore and stuff like that. We'll talk about this. After that here you will see cursor effects, and if you want to point any effect to any of the left click on right click, just click on this and then select the effect. Okay, whenever you click on left it will do this, and for right it will do all of this effect. Okay, we'll talk about this also. And if you want to add voice narration, just click on this and it will, or you can also start voice recording. And if you click on more, you will come across more options like audio effects, visual effects, interactivity and captions. If I click on this audio effect, I'll find couple of audio effects here. We can use all of these effects here in our clips. And if you want to add visual effect, just click on it. You'll find lots of visual effects like drop shadow, borders, color remover and stuff like that. And finally you will see interactivity if you want to add, and then caption. If you want to add caption to your clip, just click on it and click on add caption. Okay, we'll talk about this in our upcoming videos. Okay, now this is our main timeline preview. We will preview our clip here in this our timeline. Okay, now we can transform our preview, we can crop it and zoom it and stuff like that. We can move it anywhere where we want it and do stuff like that. We can stretch it and zoom it and stuff like that here. And if I click on this property here, I will find all of my properties. For example, if I have applied any of the effect, I will see my properties here. We'll talk about this also. Okay, now this is our main timeline. We'll do all of our editing stuff here in our main timeline. We can zoom in and zoom out using this zoom in and zoom out option. We can play or pause our video or move it to next frame and move it to back frame. And if you want to change clip, just click on these icons. Okay, we'll talk about all of these options in detail in our upcoming videos.